Yeah, how have you been, my people? I'm sure everybody has been good. I've been good, we've been good, we've been good. So quickly, we are still on the division of base three numbers. Now we are under binary numbers, but under that, we'll be talking about division of base three numbers. How have you been walking through the other divisions like the binary treated, the conversion from one of the base to the other? I'm sure you're getting everything. I'm sure. So keep it up, keep it up. So quickly, we move on with this. If you have this, and the question should be in base three. The question should be in base three. So if you are having this question in base three, and you have been told to express this, okay, let me just do that by myself. I did not indicate before, so you have this is in base 3. This is in base 3. You have to do this in base 3. Now, there are two approaches. I will walk you through. So we go through it together. There are two. There's a conventional approach that you change the two numbers, both the numerator and denominator, you change them to base 10. Then you divide, you now change back to base 3. Let's go through that method. You will decide on which of the methods you would like by yourself. 1. Go by method 1. So if you go by method 1, you have to change base. This is already in base 3. So you change to base 10. 1, 2, 2, 2. If you equals to 1 times 2, okay, 1 times 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2. Then you power 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's conversion to base 10. You power the bases that you are working with. Oh, there is already an error. We're seeing the error. Our base is in base 3. The base, I think, with base 3. So we should be multiplying by 2. We should multiply by 3. I hope you saw that. So we have this. We have 1, 2, 2, 2. That will be equal to 1 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 1, 2, we have 3 2's, okay, plus 2 times 3. Then you power them. Power 0, 1, 2, 3. You see that? So that becomes what? 1 times 3 raised to power 3. That is 27. 3 raised to power 2, 9 times this, that is 18. Plus 2 times 3, that is 6. Plus 2 times 3 raised to power 0. 3 raised to power 0 is 1. Any number raised to power 0 is 1, except 0 itself. So you have 2 here. Then you can add up. You have 27 plus 18 plus 6 plus 2. That gives us 53. So having gotten that to be 53, what do? This is already in base 10, isn't it? So let's do the second one. We have 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1. That will be equal to 1 times 3 plus 0 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 0 times 3 plus 1 times 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 raised to power 4. 3, that will be 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81. So we have 81 plus, this is 0 plus 0 plus 3 raised to power 2 is 9 times 2, 18 plus 0, then plus 1. 3 raised to power 1 is 1. So we have 81 plus 18. I have 99, then plus 1, that is 100. So equivalent to 100. So what do we have? Base 10. That means 53. That implies we have 53 upon 100. And that is what? Is 0.53. That is 0.5, 0.53 in base 10. So how do we go with this? How do we go? You use that approach. So it's either you, from here, this place, you pick the numerator, divide, express in base 3. Then you pick the denominator, express in base 3. Whatever we have, you divide them, you get your answer. Or this one, this particular one, you use the method I gave you when I treated division of binary numbers. We multiply this by 3. What do we have? Then we move on, Okay, let's go with the 2 approaches. So we have from here, go from here, we are going to be having 53. Let's do 53 in base 3. Here 1, 2 is left, that is 7, remainder 2, 3 here, 5, remainder 2, 3 here, 1, remainder 2, 3 in 1, 0, that is 0, remainder 1. So drawing it up, we have 1, 2, you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2 in 3 places. Sorry about that. We have 2. Sorry, permission. Sorry, permission, sorry. So sorry about that. You should be having 2, 2. That is already in base 3. Then for the other part, don't forget we are having 53 divided by 100. That's what we are dealing with. So divided by 100 there, this one we have 100 to base 10. That's already in base 3. We have 100 base 3. 3 here is 3 remainder 1. 3 remainder 1. 11 remainder 0. 3 again. Have a 3 remainder 2. 3 again. 1. 3 in 3 is 1 remainder 0. Then you have 3 0 remainder 1. So join this upward, you have 1 0 2 0 1. 1 0 2 0 1 in base 3. So that's what you have. So eventually we are going to be having this. Have 1 2 2 2 upon 1 0 2 0 1, which was where we were coming from. Can you see that? So we got that back. Now to get our final answer, what do we do? We've got 53 over 100, right? And I say when you have something like that, there's a way you can go about it. There's a way you can go about it. This one, haven't gotten this. We can now do this. We have our answers in two forms. Let's do the first method. We have 1 2 2 2. I have divided by 1 0 2 0 1. So 1 0 2 0 is greater than 1 2 2 2. It's just 1220. It's 10,201. It is greater than it. So you have this will be 0 point. Add 0 to this. Then this here is 12,000 and this is 10,000. Your answer of course should be between 0, 1 and 2. You should know that because it's in base 3. Dividing in base 3. So this one will be 1. 1. Then this times 1, we have 1 0 2 0 1. Subtract. Now you subtract 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1. You don't do that. You have the borrow here. This one will be 1. This one becomes 3 because I didn't with base 3. This one subtracts, you have 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 0, that is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 10,1020 in 2012. Is it possible? It's not possible. All you have to do, put 0 here so you can add 0. You cannot divide. Then this is 20,000. It's 10,000 and something. So this will go here twice. You have 2 here. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 2 is 4. But you cannot write 4. You are dealing with base 3. So you divide by 3, you have 1 remainder 1. You write 1 here, you keep 1. 2 times 0, this 2, I'm dealing with this 2. This 2 is what I'm using to multiply because I want 10 in this. 10 in this will give me 2. This is like double of this. Are you getting that? It can't be 1. It's more than 1. So you have 2 now. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1, 1. Then 2 times 1, 2. Subtracting, you have this will give you 1. This one will give you 3. Sorry, pardon. So 3 minus 2 is 1. This is 1 minus 0, 1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. This becomes what? Borrow 1 here. Okay. Borrow 1, you have 1 here. And this will become 3. So 3 minus 1, we have 2. So this 2 cannot divide, you can subtract that from 1. So that you leave your answer there. So 201. This becomes your final answer. Am I communicating? You don't, if you continue, you'll be having 0, 0, 0, or 1, 1. So you are good to go with these results. Can I proceed? So we have our answer to be 0. Let me note it here, 0.102. That's 0.102. So I haven't gotten 0.102 there. And I said we have two methods. We can solve by two approaches. So if you are having two approaches, how do we go? So permit me to subtract this again. I think there's something I need to work out here. So you have this. I have minus here. I said that. Then you go from here, calculate using the second approach. We get the same value. So because of time, I don't want this video to be too much of time spent on a video. So I will be doing that in the next or subsequent videos. But if you have any question regarding the calculation, make your comment on the comment section. Make sure you make that known on the comment section. Make that known on the comment section. Then you have coming. So I want us to be, for understanding purpose, let's go through this again. We should arrive at the same answer instead of bothering you with a lot of approaches. Let's go through this once more. 0.102, that's what we had. So let's see. 1, 2, 2, 2 upon. Please follow me now. Follow me now. Follow me now. So you have this divided by 10201. Of course, this is not divisible. So what do we have? We have a 0 point. We have a 0 point. Yeah. Then you add 0. I won't add the 0. This will go here only one time. One time this, you have what? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have them arranged as it should be. Okay. 1, 0, 2, 0, 1. Subtract this. 0 minus 1. Don't let it go that way. This is, you have 1 left here. Whenever you borrow, you're dealing with base 3. This one will be 3. This minus this, you have 2. Yes, you have 2. Then here, you have 1 left. This is 0. This is 2. You see that? So you can't, nothing to go about again, right? So you can from here check again. This in this. You cannot say you add decimal. all you have to do is add 0 here. Once you add 0, what do you have? You're going to be having 2. 10,201 in 20,000, so you're going to be having 2 of it there. Yes, you should have 2 of it there, because this is about, if you say you are dealing with 1 and you subtract, it is not going to give you accurate results. You won't get accurate results at all and at all. So what do? Just multiply. You have 1. Okay, you've not gotten how many times we have this in this. This is 10201. This is 200120. Can it be 1? Let's go with 1. This times this, you have 1 0 2 0 1 0 2 0 1. Subtract again. This with 3, you have 2, should be 1. This is 1. This is 3. This one, borrow 1 from here, you have 2 left here. Then you have 3 plus 1, 4 minus this. This is 3 anyway. Plus 1, 4 minus 2. That is 2. 2 minus 0. That is 2. 1 minus 1. Nothing. So you have that. Then this in this. What do you have? You have 0. It's not going to divide it, so you put 0 here. By the time this is 22 now. This is 22. 22. This is just 20120. So I think here 2 can now, you can have 2. 2 times this is 1. 2 times 0 0. 2 times 2 4 divided by 3, 1 remainder 1. You keep 1. 2 times 0 is 0 plus that 1, you have 1. 2 times 1, you have 2. By the time you subtract, you are going to be having 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. So 1 0 1 1. You have 1 0 1 1. This here is not possible. Add 0 here. This one will not have 1 0. So you can stop here for your answer. Yes, if you continue, you are going to be having 0. This will be larger number. So it should not be greater than 1 and 2. So you can stop here. Now, if you are to go with the other method, you see our answer is 0.1120. Isn't it? So what do? Yeah. Let's clear this place. You are working with this. So we are supposed to go to the other method. So we add 53 upon 100, and that is 0.53. Multiply by 3, please. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times this, 15. Remainder 1, right? I have a point. Put this in brackets. Are you seeing that? Times 3 again. 27, keep 2. Times this, 17. Keep 1 again. Times 3 again. 3 times this is what? 21. Keep 2. 3 times this, 21 plus this, 23. Keep 2. 3 times 1, or take that 2 as remainder straight up. Don't even bother. Then times 3 again. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 3, 9. Any remainder? No remainder. So you have 0 remainder. look at it down. You have 0.1120, just like exactly what we have here. So that shows you are correct by the second approach. It actually took a long period. I didn't want to do the second approach before, but just to verify and check our answer. Thank you for staying with me. Do well to go through more examples in your textbooks. If you have any question, you can reach me on my contacts or via the comment section. Thank you.